Hey, I'm Richard Hudson, this is Natalie Hudson. We own Smart Torque Automotive here in Maitland, the Hunter Valley.
We started Smart Torque Automotive nearly just over 7 years ago. We're fortunate enough to have grown organically through word of mouth, and we continue growing. We value honesty and trust above all else, particularly when communicating with our customers and our awesome team.
So we also like to have a bit of fun, so come and meet the team and have a look in the workshop.
Morning!
Morning! So this is our reception area. This is Lee, our Director of First Impressions. How you going, Lee?
Good, here's your coffee.
Why, thank you. I'm just going to go and see what the boys are doing. I'll see you in a minute.
Hey Lee, what you up to? Just printing the recommendations for tomorrow's services. In this instance, we've got a vehicle that we don't have an oil in stock, so I just need to get in contact with the Penrite technical team to see if they can help us. Okay. Well, I know the Penrite team will give you the right details, so anything else, if you don't need me, I'm going to go and see what the boys are up to.
Hey, how you going? Back again. This is Coben, our awesome mechanic. What are you up to?
Just finishing off this customer service on their RS Focus, which I just need to double check the oil recommendation, which happens to be HBR5,
Yep.
which I've got plenty of.
So this is the workshop. We've got 4 bays. We work on new Europeans. We work on old cars. That's an old Studebaker, 4-wheel drives, and even boats. We've got a Mer Cruiser going into that probably later tomorrow. We've got a tyre machine bay. We've got a diagnostic bay. I wonder where Brendan is. Let's go and find Brendan. We'll come over here. I think he might be outside. So sun safety always. So you've got to put the hat on. Let's go out and see Brendan. Hey Brendan, what you doing?
Just washing the car, boss.
This is our 2nd year apprentice, Brendan. Washing my car. Apprentice of the year, I reckon. So, what are you washing it with?
Using Penrite multi-purpose wash.
Excellent. Best product around. All right, so look, we've worked with Penrite since we started. We love the fact that they're an Australian-owned company. They give us great service. You've met the team, you've seen the workshop. I think it's about time we said goodbye. See you later. Bye. Love you.